How to save location in Google Maps. So here in this guide, you learn how to save any location on Google Maps if you want to revisit this location again. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. To save location in Google Maps, you can do this on your iPhone and you can do this on your Android. If you want a very big landscape or information, then you can do this on your PC. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how you can save any location in Google Maps on your Android. So the first one to do is go ahead and open the Google Maps app. Now, once you open the Maps app, just hang on for the maps to open. And once the maps open just like this, then click on the search button and search for where you want to save the location on your maps. So here, let's say I want to save this particular location. Then you're going to have it on the maps just like this. Then once you have it on the map, then just see the maps like this. Then go ahead and click on where you want to save on the maps. Then once you click on it once, then you should see this menu comes up. On the menu, locate the save button. See on this navigation, just go ahead and locate the save button or click on edit to edit the location, add the current information to this location. Then thereafter, go ahead and click on the save button. Once you hit the save button, this is what that comes up. Then you want to select the place you want to save it to. So it could be shared places, travel plan, want to go, Vivirite, then maybe your home address of them. Then just go ahead and click on where you want to save it to. Add a note about this place in the travel plan list. So you can just click on this, then add some information to it, and then you should see the place saved on your maps. Now, to access the saved place on your maps, just come to you and then click on it. Then here, you should see your list. Under your list, click on where the place is saved. Then you can see I have it under travel plans. Then click on that, then it's going to come up. So if I have multiple places on my travel plan, then I will have option to choose the place to select. So that is basically how to save location in Google Maps. So if you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.